Hi, my name is Amar. Now in this video I will discuss how to set up the softwares required to write the Kotlin program in Windows operating system. Okay. In my previous video I discussed that Kotlin runs on JVM. This means to write the Kotlin program, Java Jdk must be installed in our system. Okay. Now to install the Java Jdk, you need to visit this URL. Okay. Now here to write the program, we will use IntelliJ IDE. Okay. And to download the IntelliJ IDEA software, we need to visit this URL. These URLs you can find in the description of my video. Okay. Now once you visit these URLs, then you will get these sites. From the first site, you need to download the JDK and you need to install. Okay. Similarly, from this site, you need to download the IntelliJ IDEA software from this particular site, and you need to download the community version. Okay. After downloading, you need to install it, right? Now, after installing these softwares, what you need to do? You need to do path setting. How to do the path setting? To do the path setting, let me show you. You need to go to this PC. After that, right click here, properties, then click on advanced system settings, then click on environment variables. Now here in this new button, you need to click here, and once you click here, you need to give the variable name as class path. Okay. And the value of this variable will be this one. Here I have already set the path. Just you need to copy the address of the lib folder which is present inside the JDK folder. Okay. So you need to click on the new button. Here you need to give the variable name as class path, and in the variable value you need to paste the address of the lib folder as I have done here. Okay. After that, you need to set the Java home. To set the Java home, you need to click here in this new button. After that, you need to give the variable name as Java_home, and after that you need to paste this address. Okay, as you can see here, you need to paste this particular address, right? Now after that, you need to scroll, and here you will get a path variable. You need to select it, and after that you need to click on edit. Once you click on edit, after that you click on new button. Okay, and inside the new button you need to paste this particular address. As you can see here, this particular address you need to paste. Okay. After that, click on OK. Now once you click on OK, the path setting will be done. Okay. This is how we can do the path setting. Okay. Now in the next video, I will show you how to write our first Kotlin program by using IntelliJ IDEA. Thank you for watching.